Stay where? Stay there. Stay there.
Perfect.
See what you're doing? You don't see what you do? Violating people's rights?
I'm not going to do it. Sorry.
That's exactly what you're doing, bud.
An officer ordered a man off a public right-of-way, threatened him with arrest, and issued a trespass warning, none of which was grounded in any stated legal authority. Under the Fourth Amendment, a lawful detention requires reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity, a standard that was never met and never even attempted here. What follows is a documented confrontation in Washington state that exposes exactly what happens when commands replace law.
To violate people's rights.
How's
How's it going today?
Good. How are you? Out of the road.
I'm going around here. You don't have to tell me what to do, but I'm traveling just fine.
You're in the middle of the road.
Well, you can't just tell people what to do. That's it. You know. Come on, don't start
It's
that.
not a sidewalk. You need to get out of the road. I'm giving you a command to get on a sidewalk.
Is it a legal command for real?
Not a sidewalk. You are standing in the middle of the road in violation of
This is not the middle of the road. There's a sidewalk right here. You don't see this as a
no
sidewalk?
right here. If you want to record
Come
it,
on
I'm
now.
gonna give you one more chance since you're recording me.
But name and badge number. Name and badge number. Name and badge number. Yeah, I want a business card. Business card.
196.
Business card.
That's someone's yard. That's not a sidewalk.
Business card, buddy.
Sidewalks
Oh,
over
there's
there.
a sidewalk, bud.
Absolutely. Go find
Look.
a sidewalk. I'm recording too. All right.
Look, there's a sidewalk right here. That's a sidewalk right there. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud. You can't just pull me over. You can't just stop me. Come on, man. I'm asking questions. That's it.
Sidewalk.
Look at sidewalk. Come on, guy. That's an unlawful. That is an unlawful order. You want to start giving. Stop it. Stop it. Can I get? Let me give me a badge. Give me a business card.
I just told you my name and badge number. I don't have a business
Okay,
card.
what's your name and badge number? Name and badge number.
Out here in the street. Thank you very much.
I could be out in the street, buddy. Come on, man. Come on, man. You're gonna violate people's rights like that? I could be on the street. If I have to walk across the street, what am I gonna do?
I'm not violating your rights.
Yes, you are. That's why I come out here, because you guys violate people's rights. I come out here.
I am giving you opportunities to comply.
You're wanting to give.
If I wanted to violate your rights,
You're wanting to give unlawful orders. You're wanting to give unlawful orders.
It is illegal to stand in the middle.
It's not illegal. I could cross the street if I. Pull it up. Show me the law. Show me the law code.
How about you
show me the law code.
Listen to my lawful command
show me the law code.
What happens, okay?
Show me the law code. Under duress, I'm not gonna go on the road. Under duress because look, you want to arrest me. That's the thing we talk about. That all you guys do is want to push people around. Look at you. Stay where? Stay there. Stay there.
Perfect.
See what you're doing? You don't see what you do? Violating people's rights?
I'm not gonna do it. Sorry.
That's exactly what you're doing, bud. All I'm here is asking for questions, and you guys are gonna sit there and want to violate somebody's rights. That's in public. I got my rights to grieve to the government, right? Right? Is it my First Amendment? Right? Do you know the first? Hey, you can say however way you want to say it. You can say it's harassment. You can say whatever. As long as it's not an action, then I ain't doing nothing.
Right there on the sidewalk, but if you're out here in the middle of the street,
bro, if I go over here and I have to cross the street because I gotta go home or something, use a crosswalk. Hey, they ain't no crosswalk. But come on, can I get your business card name?
You know who I am. You've had one before.
Name and badge number then. Say it. Come on, man.
7-2, Lieutenant Decker. We've talked before. You put a video up of me, remember?
Yes, sir. And what's your name and badge number?
Why are you out here doing this?
Because you guys violate people's rights. That's it. That's like what this guy's want to do.
Give me an example.
Like right now, he's trying to push me off the road just because I'm in the. He's saying he's gonna arrest me because I go on the road.
Why are you recording
right?
someone's house?
Right? You're gonna arrest me because I go on the road?
Stop. You're not being.
Yeah, you said that. You said if I go out on the road, you're gonna arrest me. Is that
You are
illegal?
not being reasonable right now. What are you doing?
I'm saying I come out here because I test you guys for you guys to violate people's rights, and that's what you guys the first thing you guys to do.
Privacy?
I'm in public. I can record whatever I see. Right? Right? You know what the plain view doctrine is? You know what the plain view doctrine is? Right? Right? You know what that is? Okay, then I got the First Amendment.
What's that person's expectation of privacy?
So they don't got no expectation of privacy. They don't have expectation of privacy in public. As long as I'm in public.
I try to get along with you, but you're being ridiculous. And you're being
look at this.
unreasonable.
Look at.
So post your video.
Yep. I'm gonna show how you guys are ridiculous on trying to do unlawful orders to people.
You should probably get a protection order against you. This is not safe.
Whatever.
So you're gonna get violated.
No, I ain't getting nothing. You guys ain't getting nothing. You can't get nothing from me. Yeah, I haven't done nothing.
What's the time right now?
If I have not committed a crime, you can't ask for ID or nothing. There's no reason for. Then at that point, you're violating my rights, my Fourth Amendment. What's the Fourth Amendment right? Huh? What's the Fourth Amendment right?
You should know.
Yeah, Fourth Amendment right is my privacy, to my legal privacy.
Going over to someone's fence.
I'm not going over their fence. I'm right here in public. Oh well, there's no expectation. Plain view doctrine. Look it up. Plain view doctrine. If I can see it from public, I can record it.
You are being unreasonable.
You're being unreasonable. You just want to be on a high horse. That's it.
Post this video for your two fans.
I'm showing you that you guys violate people's rights, like you're gonna try to do right now.
Let me talk. You just want to talk over for you.
Because all you want to do is violate people's rights, right?
Have a nice day. We have your information. You'll probably
have a nice day.
How many times have you been arrested doing this?
Don't worry about how many times I got arrested.
0.
Yeah.
Right? We have violated your rights 0 times.
No. You don't know anything then.
How many times have you been arrested for doing this?
More than what you think, buddy.
0.
More than what you
Right?
think, buddy.
So,
More than what you think.
what's
Just for
your
violating my
evidence?
rights. Just for
I'm not-
violating my rights. Traveling, walking, just and saying, oh, if you don't step right there, you're not in public. When the public says,
I'm talking. You're trespassing
oh,
from right
you see
here.
that?
Do you understand that? I have to yell because I can't even hear myself think because you won't shut up. You are trespassed from this address. If you come back from this address again, you will go to jail.
I can walk up and down all the street the whole time I want. As long as I'm not on their property, buddy. So don't go there. Don't get it
As long as
twisted.
you use the
I can
sidewalk.
walk up and down this sidewalk. I can walk up and down the street.
If you are
See how
out
you
here
guys are
again
doing.
recording their
See how you are pushing out your unlawful orders. Do you see that, Sergeant? You're a sergeant, right?
Unlawful about
Are you not a sergeant?
So you are free to go.
What's your name and badge number,
You are
Sergeant?
free to
Sergeant
go.
Andrews, 174.
Okay, then you should teach your officers that's not violate people's rights and give unlawful orders.
Free to go. Still free
Then
to
tell them not to give unlawful orders, okay? Remember that.
I don't have to tell him anything.
You're the sergeant. You're the one that's supposed to be in charge of these guys.
Guess what? My boss is here, so
go. You are free to go.
Wow.
Still free
But
to
they still don't, put up the right to put up for you guys to learn the Constitution. You guys don't learn the Constitution.
in her home is violating your rights somehow.
All I did was pass by and say, oh, look, I seen a car. I was like wondering what cop lives here. What violator lives here? That's it.
Good. Keep recording. Let's go to
That's
your house.
it.
Let's show everyone where you live.
Oh,
Show them
people
your
know where I
address.
live.
Give them your license plate.
People know where I live. Don't worry about
Okay.
it.
Where is that? What's your address?
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
See?
so you don't want to share. So you're
Because-
all
because,
about
you know,
freedom of information,
yes.
but you don't want to share.
No, you know what the First Amendment is?
You're a hypocrite. Have
You
a
know
good
what the
day.
First Amendment is, right? You know what's the Third and Fourth Amendment? You know those? Do you know any of them?
You are still free to
Do you know any of
stay
them?
safe. Happy holidays. Whatever holiday you celebrate, I hope it's a wonderful one. Have a happy
All right, goodbye.
You guys are dismissed. You guys go do your job. You guys do your job, and you guys go stop violating people's rights. Remember that, all right? It is, yeah, Christmas coming up. So let people know, hey, this and this is that. Oh, get out of the street, please. Oh, get out of the street. Look at this shit, you guys. You look at unlawful orders. Shut the fuck up, man. You guys are fucking idiots, man. Get out of the street. Get out of the street. Hear that shit? Fucking bullshit. Get out of the street. That's what they do, peeps. That's why I come out here. To show how effed up they are. They want to violate people's rights constantly. It's not about, defunding the police. It's about redirecting your funding to retraining you guys on the Constitution. That's what you guys need. Be retrained on the Constitution. Exactly. Retrain yourself. Yeah, you know what you're doing, id. No, they don't even want me walking out in the street, peeps, because they're crying.
What'd you say? That's not appropriate for your younger viewers. You shouldn't curse on there. Disney Plus.
Don't worry about what we be doing, man.
Plus is never gonna pick you up when you talk like that.
Don't worry about what we be doing, man. Worry about learning how to, protect our people, protect the people's rights. You guys took an oath to protect our
Give
rights.
me an example where we didn't.
Not today.
No, give me an
Or any other
example.
time.
Give
That's
me
all
an
you guys ever
example.
do.
Give me
Because
an
the first thing you guys do is pull up on people.
I just asked for you
The
to
first
give an
thing you guys
example.
do is pull up on people and say, hey, ID.
What people?
When you pull
Our
people
people.
over, anybody.
Everybody is my people.
When you pull people over, that's the first thing you guys do, man. Hey,
Give me an
ID,
example.
ID. Oh, you can't tell them that you got a light out. You
you
can't
know
tell
that-
them that you got this
You
and
don't-
that.
you just wanna talk.
Right?
You don't-
You can't tell them that, right?
you
You
don't wanna
can't.
have conversations.
You can't, right?
Driving's a privilege,
Because
not a right,
no,
right?
it's a right.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
It's not
a
right,
privilege.
it's a privilege.
It's our God-given right to travel amongst this free country.
No.
A driver is one that works for commerce. Look that up.
Okay, so
You guys don't
anybody-
understand
you think a
those
drunk driver-
rights.
you think a drunk
You guys
driver
don't
can drive a
think.
car?
You guys don't understand those rights.
No, you don't understand for talking. You're being unreasonable.
You're
I usually
being
work-
unreasonable. You
I
guys
usually
learn
work
the
with people, which is
Constitution.
being
Learn the
ridiculous.
Constitution.
So
Honor
why
your
are-
oath.
why are you
Protect
here?
our rights instead of
Why are
taking
you
our rights.
here?
That's why I'm telling you constantly what I'm telling all the officers. Learn the constitutional rights. You took an oath to protect our
Let me help
rights,
you.
and that's the first thing you
You're
do.
gonna keep talking.
That's the
and
first
talking.
thing you do,
wanna
right?
Talk like a human being. Because I've been trying to do that the whole time, and you're being ridiculous.
Is it not what you guys do? Okay, you guys can't pull over somebody and say, "Hey, your lights out. Okay, be on your way. You're serving to protect." You guys don't do that, right?
What are you talking about?
When you pull somebody
Why are
over,
you
bro,
here?
why can't you guys get it through your
He
skull?
has mental health
Okay,
issues. Obviously,
you guys
on
do
this
because you guys
channel,
don't
if
understand
you're
it.
watching this,
If
this
you guys don't understand
want to
it,
help him. I wish we
you guys
could,
don't
but he has
understand that. You guys are
issues.
thick-headed. You guys don't
There's something
understand it. That's the
paranoid
first thing you guys
going
do.
on here.
When you
I
guys
really
can
wish we
serve
could
and
help you.
protect
I
and say,
really
"Hey,
do.
you got a light out.
This is a
You know."
weird
You want to run the corner too
country.
quick, slow it
You
down,
have an
you know?
issue.
And that's
You
it.
get some
Be on your
help.
way, serve and
Would you
protect.
like to talk to
But the
someone?
first thing you guys do is Nazi,
AK
papers,
audit.
papers,
Would you like
Nazi,
to talk
Nazi,
to someone?
Nazi. I want my papers. Oh, we need them now.
about-
You can't
Post
you can't
a
go
video.
nowhere
Show
unless you have
how
your
ridiculous
papers.
this is.
That's how you guys do it, huh?
You are being ridiculous.
Well, you're the one that's sitting here arguing, not understanding where I'm coming
Let's
from.
stand out of that driveway. In case someone wants to come home and you're standing.
Oh, because you guys really give a lot of room to move in. Come on, guys. You guys are always talking crap about everything. Here comes another few, man.
Hunter, sir.
How's it going?
This is AK Audit.
Can I get a name and badge number real quick?
Oh, yes. Read my performance in August. How are you doing?
How's it going?
Doing all right.
Name badge number?
What do they need help?
Just because of me, you know, out here standing up for my rights and making sure we're not being overstepped with the boundaries. Hoping you guys can get retrained on your Constitution, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Look how many people are here because you're causing a scene.
Just because of a one person. That,
Yeah, because
ain't doing nothing
causing a
criminal.
scene, and you seem to have
Ain't no
mental health
crime
issues.
being
We're having to come
committed,
here
and you guys are
deal
here
with it.
being, you know.
There's no need to write anymore. Him and his channel.
It's unbelievable.
Why is that funny?
Just learn how to. It's, like I say, you know, it's not about defunding. It's about redirecting your funding to retraining.
To what?
You know what I mean? Retraining to honor your
Did you know
oath.
this is the
To
highest
honor your
ranked police
oath.
department in the state of Washington?
You guys don't honor your oath though. Everybody, all officers
Give me
don't
an
honor their
example.
off. They don't. They
Give me an
don't.
example.
That's the first
The
thing
only
that,
thing I
like I
don't
said, that's the
honor is
first
my
thing.
diet.
That's the
That's the only
first.
thing I
That's the
don't
first thing. Like I said, that's the first thing you guys do. And you guys throw it out there by saying,
Stop. Give me an example.
"I gave you plenty of examples. You still don't take
Give me
it."
a single one. Give me
What do
an
you mean? You
example.
pull somebody over and you have a light out.
Hey,
What? What do you do?
Give me the officer's name and badge number. You're
No.
taking all
What
my
do you
time.
do? What do you do when you pull somebody over?
Educate people.
I'm educating you. What do you guys do when you pull somebody over?
You pull them over to educate them so they're safe on the road.
Okay, you tell them, okay, your light's out. Now give me your license and insurance and all that, right?
Yeah.
Why do you need all that when it's free
How
to
would you
travel?
Identify the driver.
You don't need to identify the driver.
Why?
We got constitutional
Why?
rights. Our
No,
Fourth
tell me
Amendment. You know
why.
what the Fourth Amendment is?
You don't even understand the reason.
Do you know what the
Why?
Fourth Amendment is?
Yes.
That you took an
oath.
oath to swear an oath to. What is it?
How's that an unlawful search and seizure after someone's identification?
Because you're asking for their ID. You're asking for their ID when they don't need to give you ID unless they have committed a crime, right?
I need you to give this
Right?
officer your information.
You don't need. You know you ain't getting my information. What's wrong with you guys?
Because
No.
you're harassing people.
Too bad. See, that's what you guys are doing right now. Taking my information unconstitutionally.
We don't need to technically. We have all this info.
Then take it like that, because it's crap what you guys are going to try to do and want to
give a
do.
statement of why you were here and what you were doing?
Like I said, that's all I was going to ask. Who lived here? What tyrant lived here? Because I was
Why?
just going to educate them
Why?
on the Constitution, just like I'm
Why?
trying to do that. And that's it.
And they asked you to leave and you wouldn't leave.
Hey, I'm in public, and that's it.
So they asked you to leave and you wouldn't leave?
I'm in public.
Did they ask you to leave?
If I'm
and you
in
would not
public, they
leave?
can tell me to do whatever. If I'm in
that's not
public,
what's
they can't
happening
tell me.
over there.
They
That's
can't
not
tell me
what's
to leave
happening
if I'm
over
in public. Sorry.
Would you like to give a statement of this
No,
officer?
that's all I'm saying.
Why not?
Because I don't need. I gave everything to you guys. I told you guys what you guys need.
Okay, well, luckily you record everything so we can pull that. So I appreciate that much on YouTube. Because you
Just
put
learn
that
not
in
to
the public domain.
just learn not to protect people. I mean, to protect people's rights, and not take their rights
What
right
are you
away.
doing to help?
This right here, because this is
It's
what
not helping
you
anybody.
guys don't understand that you guys.
17 followers do not help people. What
Like
are
I said, you guys
doing?
use the policies to entrap people to say, hey, no, it's the law because it's Washington law says that no matter what you need ID, right?
You need to seek
That's
help.
messed up, right?
You need to seek
When we
help.
got constitutional rights to our protection, right?
This is what you want. I know you get off on disattention.
No, I get off on making
Violate
sure
the
that people
law.
learn their
Listen
rights,
to me,
learn what the fuck they need to say to people.
Listen to me. If you continue to harass people, you will be charged or arrested.
Look,
You
harassment
understand?
is
Have
an
a good
action.
day.
Harassment is an action,
Anything else?
right?
Anything, man?
Can I get a name badge number?
Yeah, I'm Officer Guards of Pasco Police Department. Okay. All right. May I ask why you were here then
960.
initially?
I mean, 160. No, that's good. You have a good day, sir.
Okay. You don't want to tell me why you were here?
No, I left them all
Can I
know
get
the
your name?
reason. But you guys go ahead and be on your way.
Can I
And
get your name, sir?
no, sir. No.
Okay, all right.
You have a good day.